Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry it's been a while. As you can see, I got the front fenders on the 40 Ford and lights. So a lot has happened since my last video. We did get the engine running, which you know about. We did have some problems with a really bad water leak and some noise coming from somewhere in the engine. It didn't sound like bottom end, didn't sound like top end. Really didn't know what it was. Seems to be coming from the torque converter. So anyways, on the water leak side, we put it up on the hoist with it running. Water was just gushing out. It seems like it was dripping from the bottom of the timing cover, which is really weird. So the only thing we could think of is it was coming down from where the water pump bolts to the motor. So I pulled everything all apart, took off the rat, took the serpentine belt off, everything like that, pulled off the water pump, and it looked sort of okay. So I put new gaskets on there and sealed it up anyways. And that's when I realized where the leak was coming from. So it appears it was coming from here, the thermostat housing. Wasn't tightened down all the way, so it was going down into the intake manifold there, dripping down onto the top of the timing cover, and then around and dripping out where you saw it. Yeah. Anyhow, so we still got to deal with the torque converter issue. Some people think it's either a cracked or a loose torque converter, so I got to get it up on the hoist, drop the tranny out, and see if I can fix that. Hopefully, it won't be a big deal. So, like I say, most of the wiring is now done. We've got all the engine. Engine's been wired up for a while now. Now we're working on lighting. And I have it set up kind of differently here. So these, I have separate grounds. So I've got a ground for the headlight, a ground for the turn signal and the parking light. This is not what I'm going to be using, by the way. I'm going to get an LED one that actually goes in, the headlight bezel. And my original plan was then, when I put the car together finally, is to put that back there, and then that will be then grounding out the fender so that I can then use the fender as a ground for the horn and the electric fan. Inside, pretty much everything is done except the gauges. We've got to do the gauges. We've got the dome light in. It works on the door switch. Everything is set up. We do have some extra wires. The extra wires are things like the radio and AC and things like that, which we haven't put in yet. But wiring in here is pretty much done. And back here, because I haven't got any rear fenders, if anybody knows where I can get a set of rear fenders for a 1940 Ford, please let me know. But we do have these set up, so my tail lights are basically wired up. They work for park light and turn signals. Brake, we got some issues. We got to deal with that. And this is the license plate light. Anyhow, that's it for now. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.